What makes a great and professional LinkedIn profile picture? 800 profile pictures were analyzed and rated more than 60,000 times.
What?
Yes, you heard it right. 60,000 times to see what elements make you look more competent, likable, and influential on your profile picture. Do you want to know the results?
Yeah!
Hey guys, Emilia here, and today we'll dive into the fascinating science of profile pictures so that you can optimize your LinkedIn profile picture. Photofiller ran a highly valuable study using 800 profile pictures from their database, and these pictures were rated by individuals over 60,000 times. These individuals were asked on a scale from -5 to +5, judging from the photo, do you feel this person is competent, meaning smart and capable, likable, this is friendly and kind, and influential, meaning industry leading and respected. These were later on analyzed by mathematicians that narrowed information down into relevant results, which I'm going to share with you in this video. They look at things like sunglasses, smile, clothing, and even photo editing. So based on the results, here are 6 research-based tips for boosting your presence on LinkedIn with your profile picture. And guys, the eyes have it. Covering them with sunglasses might seem cool, but actually it hurts your likability score. On the other hand, squinting your eyes slightly can boost your perceived competence and influence. The jawline power! Another winner is a defined jawline. A strong jawline shadow can make you appear more competent, likable, and influential. If in the picture that you took, the shadow separating your chin and neckline isn't dark enough, Photofiller actually proposes to take advantage of some editing tools like Photoshop, where you can improve the shadow. Guys, do not edit your appearance at all. Remember, as I shared in my video right here, your photo needs to be authentic and reflect who you truly are. But the biggest factor of all, your smile. A genuine smile with teeth showing is a huge boost for likability. However, an open mouth laugh can actually hurt your perceived competence and influence. I know, right? What do you think it's a reason for this? Now let's talk about clothes. Formal attire like a suit and tie can significantly increase your perceived competence and influence. But don't worry, there is wiggle room in here. Above all, your picture needs to reflect your personal and professional brand. If this is not who you are, definitely take a picture with a t-shirt if this is how you show up for work. Guys, if you're getting value so far, make sure you subscribe for more awesome tips like this. Okay, let's talk about your picture background. The good news, the background doesn't seem to matter. Just choose a setting that reflects your personality and that is uncluttered. For editing, avoid extremes. Use it with moderation. Super dark photos or overly saturated colors add worse scores. So there you have it, the science of the perfect profile picture. Above all, show your personality. Remember, it's all about striking a balance and staying authentic. And if you're ready to take a new LinkedIn picture that grabs attention, check out my video right here.